In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluebeam for estimating. We'll walk through opening your drawings, calibrating the scale for accuracy, taking measurements with the core tools, and making sure everything is tracked in the markups list so your quantities are clear and organized. Start by opening your project PDF drawings in Bluebeam Revu. You can open a single plan set or multiple sheets at once. Make sure you're looking at the latest revision and give yourself a clean view by adjusting zoom and panning so the areas you'll measure are easy to see. If your set includes multiple pages, it helps to confirm the sheet names or titles so you can tell at a glance which page you're measuring on. Before any takeoff, calibrate the scale. Go to measurements, then calibrate. Pick a known dimension on the drawing like a door width or a grid line spacing. Click the two endpoints carefully, then type the real-world distance and confirm the units. Bluebeam may ask if you want that calibration applied to the current page or the entire document. Choose what makes sense based on your set. A quick accuracy check is smart. Measure another known dimension to confirm the scale is correct. If it's off, recalibrate now rather than later. With the scale set, use the measurement tools to take off quantities. The length tool is ideal for linear items like piping, conduit, or trim. Click along the path and watch the running measurement in the heads-up display. For rooms, slabs, roofs, or site areas, use the area tool, clicking around the boundary and closing the shape to get a clear square footage. Perimeter is great for fences, curbs, or edging. Trace the outline to capture the total run. When you need counts, choose the count tool and click each symbol that represents an item, such as fixtures or diffusers. Zoom in to click precisely, and don't worry if you miss. You can adjust points or delete a mark and try again. You'll notice the cursor snapping to lines. This helps accuracy on vector PDFs. Each measurement is saved to the markups list as you place it. This list is your running ledger of takeoffs. Give each entry a clear subject or comment so you know what it represents. And consider color coding different trades or systems for readability. The list tallies quantities by type and can be sorted or filtered to quickly find what you need. If you modify a measurement on the page, the markups list updates automatically, keeping your totals current without extra effort. That's the workflow: open, calibrate, measure, and track. Follow these steps and your Bluebeam estimates will be consistent, transparent, and ready for review.